Hi dear friends, welcome back to M&M Tours Channel. Today we want to invite you to join us on a fascinating journey through Akhavan-e Haqiqi Historical House. Akhavan-e Haqiqi House is one of the lesser known yet beautiful examples of traditional Persian architecture in Isfahan. The house dates back to the Qajar-era and was completed in 1857 AD. It was owned by a rich family named Akhavan-e Haqiqi who were prominent merchants in Isfahan. This house is located in one of the historical districts of Isfahan in close proximity to other Qajar-era houses. The western room of the house is especially unique. The ceiling features incredible stalactites with over 1,300 butterfly-shaped wall paintings. These patterns, along with the miniature landscapes, were a reflection of the artistic and cultural interests of the time. This house boasts fine stucco work, mirror mosaics, and exquisite stained glass. The ceilings and walls are often adorned with floral motifs and traditional Persian geometric patterns. Akhavan-e Haqiqi House may not be as well known as some of the grand palaces, but it offers a glimpse into the everyday life and artistic splendor of the Qajar-era. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like,
comment, and subscribe for more hidden gems of Iran. See you next time on M&M Tours.